In this video, we will learn how to turn player surveys on and off in Fortnite. In Fortnite, if you want to turn the player survey on or off, it is extremely simple. All you need to do is head to the profile section from the top right hand side of your screen. After coming in here, you need to click on the gear button. After clicking on the gear button, you need to select the tab on the top right hand side of your screen, which will be the account and privacy tab. In here under the accounts tab, you will find an option called player survey. You can turn it on or off according to your need. After turning it on or off, you can just click on apply and OK. After applying these settings, any player survey or feedback will not be presented in front of you and you won't be seeing them again. So this is how you can easily turn on or off surveys in Fortnite and enjoy the game like before. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.